When I'm lost in lonely nights, searching for a sign, you're the beacon burning bright, drawing this heart of mine. Every prayer you lift above, every tear you understand, wrapped within your mother's love. You reach out your hand through the valleys, through the pain. You speak mercy like the